YouTube, check it out. As you can see, this is the new Wahl Vanish. I picked this up from Fort Worth Barber Supply. Shout out to Edward and Amy for Fort Worth Barber Supply, man. I went ahead and copped this because Wahl don't be sending your boy nothing. So I had to go ahead and cop it. Hey, Wahl, if y'all watching this, send your boy some stuff, man. So like I said, I did get this off of the Fort Worth Barber Supply website, fwbarbersupply.com. I paid like $104 for it. Ended up being like 115 or 120 with shipping. But you can get this off the website for like 104 and some change. So if y'all interested, y'all can go ahead and check that out. Let's go ahead and get into this video. We're gonna do a quick unboxing of this new Wahl Vanish shaver. Let's look at the back first. Well, first, before we do that, let's go ahead and look at the box. So looking at the box, as y'all can see, y'all know Wahl's packaging is pretty much the same throughout all their tools. Still a good packaging though, as y'all can see. Let's go ahead and read some of this stuff on the back. Independent suspension cutter bars, removable individual foil cartridges, smart LED fuel gauge. So that's pretty tight. So as y'all can see on the shaver, you can actually see how much charge you have left. Travel lock option, ergonomic design with comfort grips, finish blending and bald fades, eliminating stray hairs, neckline and facial hair cleanup. And that's basically what the box says. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can actually get a good look at this shaver right here. Pull out the first box from the sleeve. So as y'all can see, this is how it's packaged. So let's take a look at this. Let's take a look. I'm a little excited about this. All right, we're gonna take the little plastic piece off. So this is the new Wahl shaver, the Wahl Vanish. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I haven't used a Wahl shaver in so long. Like I couldn't even tell you last time I used it. More than 10 years for sure. But yeah, check that out. We're gonna go ahead and take off the top. As you can see, there's a button on the side. As y'all can see, there's a button on the side right here. You press to take the top off, so we press that. We got the regular foils on there. It says Wahl Super Close on there. 5-star Vanish. And as you can see, they got the little grippy things back here. Trying to make it a little more ergonomic for you, you know what I'm saying? So you can get in and do what you gotta do. But let's go ahead and turn this thing on. So see, it's already blinking, so I'm gonna put it closer to the mic. So as y'all can see, it's already blinking, so that just leads me to believe that it's not fully charged. So we're gonna charge this thing up before we actually use it. But let's go ahead and finish looking at what's in this box. I'm gonna go ahead and put the plastic back on there. Put that to the side. All right, so let's move. All right, so let's move this thing out the way. Ain't nothing under that. Let's go ahead and get this out. So we're gonna open this. I don't know if y'all can see due to the lighting. Let me see if I can turn this down. So y'all can see it says Wahl on there in silver and gold. Turn that back up a little bit. Let's open this up. All right, so it does come with a charger only. I don't know why I thought it was gonna come with a charging stand. Unfortunately, it does not. But we get that, and then we get a little booklet that I ain't never gonna look at. We get a nice brush, and then we get this little brush. And that's basically all that comes in this box. So I am pretty excited to use this for y'all. As y'all can see, once again, here is the Wahl Vanish. Right here, right here, right here, right here. Y'all know what it is. Once again, it's been a good minute since I used a Wahl shaver, so I'm gonna put this to the test, and I will be giving y'all a review soon. However, on this video, I'm not gonna give y'all my initial thoughts just yet, because I got a bunch of stuff I gotta unbox, a bunch of other videos I gotta do. And this is just gonna be the unboxing of the Wahl Vanish. And once again, guys, we get the shaver, we get the charger, we get 2 brushes, and that's basically it. That's all that comes with this, but we're gonna see how this works eventually. Like I said earlier, I do like the ergonomics of it. The design is nice, a little different. Turn it on. Sounds nice and quiet, as y'all can hear. We're gonna charge this thing up and I'm gonna put it to use. But yeah, man, if y'all like this video, do me a favor and smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go. How does the shaver feel?
Pretty good.
Does it feel like the other ones or like better?
Smooth.
Smoother? Smoother or just smooth in general?
Like smooth.
Oh, okay.
Smooth like,
You don't know.
it feels like you're giving me like a taper even though I know you're just shaving my head off. You know what I mean?
Oh, like it's not like aggressive.
Yeah, it's not pulling on me.
Yeah, because the other ones, yeah. I mean, it's brand new too, so. Hey, it's working pretty good.
What would you do if they were in the backyard and said, look at this fucking grill?
You're eating a fucking burger?
That's what I'm saying. You're the motherfucker at the bar eating this shit. You're like, how dare you with this fucking filth?
That's rats! I mean, that's true.
That's terrible, bro. If you still went later on the day.
Yeah. I haven't had a bad experience. No.
Look at the hood, doesn't look so bad. No, it doesn't at all. Grills, new fresh oil. Yeah. Not perfect. But you're gonna look at any of this stuff. We gotta make our own. That's our challenge the next couple of days. If she owns it, maybe.